what you just saw is the highlights of the Camerahaus Photo Festival. Hey guys, what is up? Joe here, back at it again with another special video, and today, ang init. Anyways, today we are here at the BGC Amphitheater to do a vlogger walk. And this is the first ever vlogger walk that is happening here in the Philippines. So here it goes. More about this event is that it caters for both photographers and videographers. And their goal here as a vlogger is to help you guys be able to improve your content creation. I can give you guys 3 tips on how to improve your vlogging skills. So tip number 1 is your intro. Your intro composes your introduction, your greeting, and establishing the story. Tip number 2 is your body. Your body composes of everything that composes your story. So you have to capture everything that is interesting, things that you want to show to your viewer, and remove those unnecessary shots that you don't want to put in your vlog. And last tip for the day is to do an ending. You can just simply thank your viewers for watching your vlog. And you can do a call to action, meaning you can ask them to follow and subscribe to your channel so that they'll be updated in your next one. Guys, I do hope you learned something new in this vlog, and like I said, call to action. If you want to be updated in my next vlog venture, go ahead and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram account, and like my Facebook page. This is Serrano signing out. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog venture. See you guys!